The GCV of a sample of bituminous coal is 36,000 kilojoule. In an experiment, 0.83 gram of this coal was burnt under 1.2 kg of water in a bomb calorimeter. Due to combustion, the temperature of water rose by 3.92 degrees centigrade. Calculate the water equivalent of calorimeter. Specific heat of water is 4.187 kilojoules per kg degree centigrade. So thus we have the formula GCV equals W1 plus W2 into T2 minus T1 into S divided by M, where W1 is 1.2 kg, T2 minus T1 is 3.92 degrees centigrade, W2 you need to calculate, and the mass of the coal given is 0.83 gram. Since W1 is in kg, you need to convert gram into kg or otherwise kg into gram. Whichever you want, you can do it. And the specific heat is given 4.187 kilojoules per kg degree centigrade. So thus GCV equals 1.2 plus W2 into 3.92 multiplied it by 4.187 divided by 0.83 into 10 power minus 3 kg. So thus since GCV is given, that is 36,000 kilojoules, so substitute, you will end up with W2 equals 0.6205 kg. The second problem is, on burning 0.85 into 10 power minus 3 kg of a solid fuel in a bomb calorimeter, the temperature of 2.1 kg water is raised from 24 degrees centigrade to 27.6 degrees centigrade. The water equivalent of calorimeter and latent heat of steam are 1.1 kg and 2454 kilojoules per kg respectively. Specific heat of water is 4.187 kilojoules per kg degree centigrade. If the fuel contains 2% hydrogen, calculate its GCV and NCV. So what is given? W1 is 2.1 kg, W2 is 1.1 kg. Specific heat of water is 4.187 kilojoules per kg per degree centigrade. T1 is 24 degrees centigrade, T2 is 27.6 degrees centigrade. So writing the formula carries 1 mark, substitution carries 1 mark, and the answer carries 1 more mark. So that's GCV equals W1 plus W2 into T2 minus T1 into S divided by M. Substitute the value of W1 and W2 as well as M, T2 minus T1 and S. So here you have to check for the units. W1 is also in kg, W2 is in kg. So as a result, what is the mass of the coal? Mass of the coal is also in kg. So kg get cancelled. So you will end up with GCV as 56,746.16 kilojoules per kg. So you need to calculate NCV. Thus NCV equals GCV minus 0.09 into percentage of hydrogen into latent heat of steam. So if the latent heat of steam is not given, you have to multiply this by 587 multiplied it by 4.187. So if the latent heat of steam is given, directly you need to substitute. So thus GCV is given minus 0.09 into percentage of hydrogen is 2 multiplied it by latent heat of steam is given, that is 2454. So thus you will end up with NCV equals 56304.44 kilojoules per kg. So let's move on to the third problem. On burning 1.15 gram of coal sample in a bomb calorimeter, the temperature of 3.5 kg of water in the calorimeter rises from 26.5 degrees centigrade to 28.5 degrees centigrade. Water equivalent of calorimeter is 325 gram. Specific heat of water is 4.187 joules per gram per Kelvin. So as a result, joules per gram per Kelvin, it is also 4.187 kilojoules per kg per Kelvin, one and the same. So and latent heat of steam is 2458 joules per gram. I can write R otherwise 2458 kilojoules per kg. If the fuel contains 4% hydrogen, calculate its GCV and NCV. So that is mass is given as 1.15 gram, W1 is 3.5 kg. So since W1 is in kg, you need to convert either kg to gram or gram to kg. So if you are converting gram to kg, so you have to convert both in W2 as well as for M. So if you are converting kg to gram, so W1 has to be converted. Thus GCV equals W1 plus W2 into T2 minus T1 into S divided by the mass. So Substitute the value of W1. Here I have converted gram to kg. So thus 3.5 plus 0.325 into T2 minus T1 is given 28.5 degree minus 26.5 multiplied it by the latent heat of steam is 4.187 divided by the mass is 1.15 into 10 power minus 3. We have converted gram into kg. So thus whatever the answer you will get is 27,852.65 kilojoules per kg. So that NCV equal GCV minus 0.09 into percentage of hydrogen into latent heat of steam. Percentage of hydrogen is given as 4. So thus substitute the value, you will end up with 26,967.77 kilojoules per kg. So the next problem is, on burning 0.96 into 10 power minus 3 kg of a solid fuel in a bomb calorimeter, the temperature of 3.5 kg of water was increased by 2.7 degrees centigrade. Water equivalent of calorimeter and latent heat of steam are 0.385 kg and 2455 kilojoule per kg respectively. If the fuel contains 5% hydrogen, calculated GCV and NCV. So mass is given, that is 0.96 into 10 power minus 3 kg. W1 is given 3.5 kg. Rise in temperature, that is T2 minus T1 is 2.7 degrees centigrade. W2 is 0.385 kg. All are in kg, no need to convert anything here. Just substitute GCV equals W1 plus W2 into T2 minus T1 into specific heat divided by the mass. Substitute the value of W1, W2, T2, T1, S and M. You will end up with GCV equals 45,749.517 kilojoules per kg. Thus, NCV equals GCV minus 0.09 into percentage of hydrogen into latent heat of steam. So latent heat of steam is already given, that is 2455. Percentage of hydrogen is given 5. Substitute the value, will end up with 44,644 minus 0.767 kilojoules per kg. So the next is same way. Calculate GCV and NCV from the following data. Mass of the fuel sample used for combustion is 0.85 into 10 power minus 3 kg. Mass of water in the copper calorimeter is 0.45 kg. Mass of water equivalent of calorimeter is 2.1 kg. Specific heat of water is 4.187. Increase in temperature of water is 3.2 degrees centigrade. Here is in degree centigrade, wherein specific heat of water has given the Kelvin. So as a result, since it is a rise in temperature, you no need to convert it into Kelvin. So it remains the same 3.2 degree centigrade. Latent heat of condensation of steam is given 2457 kilojoule per kg. Percentage of hydrogen in the fuel sample is 2.5. So thus GCV equals W1 plus W2 into T2 minus T1 into S divided by mass. Substitute the value, you will end up with 40,195.2 kilojoules per kg. Thus, NCV equals GCV minus 0.09 into percentage of hydrogen into latent heat of steam. Substitute the value, will end up with 39,642.375 kilojoules per kg. So that is about GCV and NCV. So the next problem is, on burning 0.75 into 10 power minus 3 kg of a solid fuel in a bomb calorimeter, the temperature of 2.5 kg of water is increased from 24 degrees centigrade to 28 degrees centigrade. The water equivalent of calorimeter and the latent heat of steam are 0.485 kg and 4.2 into 587 kilojoule per kg respectively. Specific heat of water is 4.2 kilojoules per kg degree centigrade. If the fuel contains 2.5% hydrogen, calculated GCV and NCV. Same, GCV equals W1 plus W2 into T2 minus T1 into S divided by the mass. Substitute, you will end up with 66,657.04 kilojoule per kg. Thus, NCV equals GCV minus 0.09 multiplied it by percentage of hydrogen multiplied by latent heat of steam. Latent heat of steam is given 4.2 into 587. So thus 66,102.325 kilojoules per kg you will get. So this is how you need to calculate GCV and NCV. So let's move on to the last problem. A 0.6 gram coal sample with 92% carbon, 5% hydrogen and 3% ash caused a rise in the temperature of 2000 gram of water by 3.2 degrees centigrade in a bomb calorimeter. Experiment. Calculate the GCV and NCV of a coal given water equivalent of calorimeter is 200 gram, specific heat of water is 4.187 kilojoule per kg degree centigrade, latent heat of steam is 587 calories per gram. If you want to convert calories into joules, you have to multiply it by 4.187. W1 is 2000 gram, W2 is 200 gram, M is 0.6 gram, all are in gram, no need to convert. So thus GCV equals W1 plus W2 into T2 minus T1 into specific heat divided by the mass. Substitute the value, will end up with 49,127.47 kilojoule per kg. So thus NCV equals GCV minus 0.09 into percentage of hydrogen into latent heat of steam. So percentage of hydrogen is given 5, latent heat of steam is 587 multiplied it by 4.187. Substitute the value, will end up with 48,021.47 kilojoules per kg. So the same way we can ask you to calculate what is the weight of water equivalent of calorimeter, or otherwise weight of water taken in the calorimeter, or otherwise percentage of hydrogen. So that is the procedure remains the same. Thank you.